In the fast-evolving digital marketing industry, advertisers and agencies are constantly looking for smarter, faster, and more effective ways to launch campaigns, target the right audience, and maximize ROI. And that's exactly where OffersMeta DSP comes in, a powerful, next-generation demand-side platform designed to give you total control of your advertising strategy while simplifying campaign execution. Whether you are a seasoned media buyer or just stepping into programmatic advertising, OffersMeta DSP provides you with a one-stop platform where you can create, manage, and optimize your ad campaigns with unmatched precision, efficiency, and transparency. With real-time bidding, advanced targeting, and deep reporting, you get the tools to make data-driven decisions without juggling multiple platforms or wasting hours on manual optimization. Let's walk through what makes OffersMeta stand out and explore each ad-formatted offers, starting with Telegram Mini Apps ads, one of the most innovative ad placements for businesses targeting engaged, niche communities. Telegram Mini Apps. Ads allow brands to integrate their ads directly inside interactive mini apps within the Telegram ecosystem. These ads blend seamlessly with the app experience, ensuring high engagement without disrupting user interaction. Imagine running a game, a quiz, or a tool inside Telegram and being able to promote your brand in a way that feels organic. That's the beauty of mini apps ads, especially for advertisers looking to reach tech-savvy audiences and communities who spend a lot of time in Telegram groups and channels. Next, we have push ads, a format that's become a favorite among performance marketers for its direct, high-visibility nature. Push ads are clickable notifications sent to users' devices even when they're not browsing, appearing like a native system alert with an image, title, and short description. They are perfect for driving instant action, promoting time-sensitive offers, or re-engaging past visitors. And because they appear outside the browser, they bypass many of the limitations of traditional display ads. Similar to push ads, but even more immersive, are in-page push ads, which appear directly within the content of a web page, looking like part of the site while still carrying the same engaging design as push notifications. This format is perfect for advertisers who want push-style engagement without depending on subscription-based push permissions, making it easier to reach broader audiences across devices. Moving on, we have interstitial ads, full-screen ads that appear between content transitions, such as when moving from one page to another or between game levels. Their large format ensures that the user's attention is fully captured, making them ideal for brand storytelling, app promotions, and high-impact announcements. The key to success with interstitial ads is to deliver visually appealing, concise, and value-driven creatives so that users are encouraged to take action rather than feel interrupted. Next is the ever-effective Popunder ads, which open a landing page behind the current browser window. Users often discover these ads after closing their active tab, giving the advertiser a second chance to connect without disrupting their immediate activity. Popunders are especially effective for offers that require more detailed landing pages, such as finance, travel, or product catalogs, because they allow users to explore the ad in their own time. Another powerful format available on OffersMeta DSP is survey exit ads, which target users right after they finish an online survey. This moment is valuable because users are already engaged, and their feedback-oriented mindset means they're more likely to notice and respond to a well-placed offer. Survey exit ads can be used for lead generation, special promotions, or even gathering more data through follow-up questions. Then, we have native ads, which integrate seamlessly into the look and feel of the site or app where they appear. Instead of standing out as traditional ads, native ads mimic the surrounding content in format and style, resulting in higher user trust and better engagement rates. They are excellent for content marketing, product recommendations, and storytelling campaigns where blending with the environment is key to success. Finally, we have display ads, the classic workhorse of online advertising, known for their versatility and visual impact. Display ads can include banners, skyscrapers, and rich media formats that appear across websites in various placements, making them ideal for building brand awareness, retargeting website visitors, and driving traffic at scale. What makes OffersMeta DSP special is that it allows you to run all these formats from a single, easy-to-use interface, complete with granular targeting options like GEO, device type, browser, OS, time of day, and user interests, as well as advanced bidding strategies that ensure you get the most value for every dollar spent. You can track impressions, clicks, conversions, and revenue in real time, while our fraud detection systems keep your campaigns safe from invalid traffic. Whether you want to tap into Telegram's engaged communities, send instant push notifications, blend your message into native placements, or create high-impact full-screen interstitials, OffersMeta DSP has the tools, reach, and technology to make it happen. So why juggle multiple platforms when you can manage everything from one powerful dashboard? Join OffersMeta DSP today at offersmeta.com and take your advertising to the next level. Powered by AdoMobi technology, Poverty Looted.